Nice summer's evening. Switch the lights on, put the fan on because it's going to get dusty in here. Right then, let's see. Well, it's crudely connected. This is how it came. And that's all I'm going to give away for a minute. Like I say, it required that to get it down here. It's a biggie. And boy is it heavy. So, how much do you reckon I paid for this bit of kit? Bearing in mind it has to be restored, and it is in running condition. The chap I brought it off, this was how they had it wired. Here's a bit of 2.5 to 1.5 in a plug socket. So, we'll have to know what this bit of kit was used for. But yeah, so not bad, not bad. So we followed it all the way down. Voila! I couldn't believe how big this fucker was. And this is only a baby compared to what you can get. It's bloody huge and heavy. The only thing I'd think it's for is either for a blower or some kind of fan unit. And judging by the belt, because it's just a standard pulley. There aren't no grooves in it or anything. It's massive. Absolutely is huge. Shaft on it's huge as well. So yeah, this is going to be fun to try and get off and restore. I might just do away with this pulley, to be fair. But bearings are good. I'll spin it the wrong way, but yeah, no play in it whatsoever. So looks like they've been used for a while, even judging by how rusty they are in there. But yeah. So this little can here is a start and run capacitor. So this baby's single phase. But yeah, fucking huge. I can't believe how big this thing actually is. It was fun trying to get this bugger home, tell ya. Back of the car. But yeah, not bad, not bad. It is electrically sound. But yeah, so Brooks Motors Limited, single phase, 1 horsepower, 220, 230, 50 hertz, running current is 6.9 amps. Can't tell what the other one is there. Yeah, so continuous rating, and I'm guessing it was either 1971 probably. But yeah, right. The device at the back here is not a bearing, it's a centrifugal switch, so that when it gets up to a certain speed, once you plug it in or start it up, it changes from the start windings to the run windings. This bugger is really loud and it does drown the lights down, so let's give it a test run. First I want to see what's in here, see what I've done. Hopefully it's earthed. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Don't worry, this will all be redone. I'm curious to see what it's like in the motor cover. We'll have a look at it in a bit. So then, let's take this baby for a test drive. It's fucking well loud. Yeah, not too bad. She does need a lot of work. Let's do that again. I'm going to shut this down now and listen to that. Hear that clunk? That is that centrifugal force switch being pulled back in. One more time. Don't want to piss the neighbours off too much, that's fucking well loud. Oh. Too shabby. Oh yeah, on the subject of this thing, it's cost me 21 quid. I was having a little bit of a ganders on eBay and saw that this thing was going. Now, no bidders or anything, and it was going to end within a few hours. After I started looking at it, I thought, oh, it's worth a shot. Put a bid in, and then I think it was about 3 hours later I had a message saying, you have won. I was like, hey! So, first eBay win of the year. So, first off, I see that the earth wire's been goes around there, so we can say bye bye to that, because I'll only run it once more before I start restoring it. Because here, so it's interesting. Let's pop this cover off and have a look. Ooh, nice, very nice. It's old alley windings, cloth windings. She's old. She's very old. I'll have to pop the cover off and make sure it's all alright, because yeah, that's all alley wires. It might be a bit of a... Ooh, wasn't expecting that. But yeah, very interesting. It's old cloth wiring, so it's probably older than the 70s then. Probably 50s? Don't know. Don't know when they started making these, to be fair. But yeah, never mind. But yeah, I like the front cover of it. I'll probably, yeah, I'm going to get rid of these, because it's just going to be a show motor really. So you never know what you're going to get. If worst case, if it does ever die, it'll be either a show piece or I ain't going to go as far as rewinding it or anything like that. So if it does die, then or fail or something like that after I've restored it, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, that's rather interesting actually. You think it'd have windings like that? That's been falling apart for years. Not too shabby. Put some proper ring crimps on this. Yeah, this one here's starting to go as well. Oh, that's not. Yeah, I'd probably say even 50s. I wouldn't say it's post World War II. I wouldn't go as far as that. Never know, it might be, I don't know. But yeah, not a bad little boy. So yeah, undo these nuts and bolts through the feet so I can get them off and not grind them off. And yeah, start taking it to bits. Might need a stronger workbench though, because that is more than 20 kilo, that fucker. So it's probably about 50 or 60. Last quick run before it goes. I can fix them windings hopefully that come off the terminals. I'll just put some heat shrink over it. That's the best way to do it without messing up the windings. But yeah, any time will tell when I start taking the covers off. First of all, I've got to get this pulley off. So yeah, so either it's 7th of January 1951 or 5th of January 1932. Right. Weird. One more quick one and then I'll call it a day. Get in that is. Yeah, quite nice to see grease caps and stuff. And put the oil in from the motor. It's well taken care of. Well taken care of. But yeah, looks like it was black. By the paint. I've got thingy in here. Have I got a brush? Oh yeah, look. So I'm guessing yeah, that's black. So it's either going to go black or blue body and right yellow front and back, but I don't know, see what happens. I think I'll just keep it original, black throughout. But yeah, hopefully that capacitor, this wiring's alright as well. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see excuse me, when that was made. To be fair, I didn't think it would be that old, but who knows. I'm not really that clued up with motors, to be fair. I know a little bit, but not that much. So yeah, so that's my new up and coming restoration project. Oh boy, right, I'm gonna go grab a beer and chill out. It's a 4-day bank holiday weekend. Yeah boy. Anyway, stay tuned for plenty more videos on this, and we'll see you in the next one.